Is that you? All right. So here we are, TNT, Traders and Trading. Got some exciting news. Joe has been busy building a gold robot or an expert advisor. Basically, it will look at the market and trade in and out. He's back tested it for how long, Joe? How long have you back tested it for?
It's about 7 years.
7 years. And on the tests, what was the start of the account? What was the size of the account that you started with?
I started with like $10,000,
Great.
and
And
because I wanna see how much is a drawdown and everything, but we're gonna open a demo account with $1,000, so I can test it on $1,000 because everybody have like $1,000, Not everyone have ten
yeah,
thousand, but the test was for 10,000 and for from 2015 until 2021, and you
that's
can
fantastic.
see 10,000 it turned to 22 to
200,
27,000 in seven
yeah,
years.
$227,000 in 7 years, 6
Yeah.
years.
So
Wow.
before we run it on live, I just want to test it on a demo account, and we have a demo account here for a few days, make sure everything working fine,
Right.
and we will see.
Great. Well, this is exciting stuff. So you're gonna have a demo running with $1,000 for the next week, I suppose, and see how we go.
Yeah, next few days, I just wanna make sure everything running okay, so we don't wanna
Mm.
lose real money. And
Yeah,
if we work good on demo,
yeah.
will be you'll be feel comfortable to trade it on the live account after that. So
Great, because this is going on basically from my experience of losing a lot of money in the market, trying to trade myself, been with various companies, various strategies, and me, like so many other retail traders, has lost money. So I am looking to do $1,000 with this, and then if I can double the account, then the exciting thing is when I get my money back from a broker that wasn't a legitimate broker, let's say, was a binary trading. When I get that money back, we'll then turn 15,000 into the target of 30,000. So this is the game plan, right?
yes, I
Okay.
guess
Well,
this is
Joe, this is
yeah. Let's try on $1,000. If it work, if we can
yeah,
turn 1,000 in a week or two to
yeah,
2,000, this is will be a good idea to keep
that'd be
it
fantastic.
going, and you can put more money later. Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds fantastic. Well, that's very exciting, Joe. It's all like with anything with trading, it's all about transparency. That is the key, isn't it? It's not saying you're making money, but actually showing how you're making money. And so this is why I'm involved with you, Joe, because I believe what you're saying, because you've showed me your trading account, you've showed me how you trade in the live market, and yeah, well, that's what we're going to do together. So this is very exciting stuff, and I look forward to seeing where we go with it.
Yeah, because the live market I trading without expert in and out every day. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So, but if somebody have a job, so he cannot stay on the front of the screen. You know what I mean? So that's why we try to do the expert advisor. So you can run it 24 hours in and out, and try to make extra income.
that's great. Well, that's someone like myself. I used to be involved in the financial markets and trading in front of the screen, 10, 12 hours a day. Since stepping away from the market, I now have a full-time job. I work from 9 till 6 every day. And I would love to be back in the market. So if you can do this with me, then anybody can do that. And that's what we're talking about. So
Yeah, and if somebody interested to make 15,000 a month, We
Yeah.
have a live session in London and US, and this
Right.
is what I've been doing this month. We already did 1376. This is
Right.
manual trade on
Yeah.
live account, okay? And
Yeah.
if we do 3 months, we did about 45,000,
Fantastic. Your
48,000. So which is
your
15,000 a month.
yeah, great. And your target is how much a month?
15,000 a month.
Great.
And so
Fantastic.
far this year, we did about 144,000.
Great, Joe. I mean,
But
that's
this is
fantastic.
live account, and this is like in and out very quickly in first hour in London. So if somebody interested, he can join us. If you don't have time to trade manual with us, we
Mhm.
have the expert for you.
Okay, so just to confirm all of that, we've got this gold expert, but we also have a website, tradingandtraders.com. The details will be below the video. There'll be details of that. We have a members only trade room where you're actually working with people trading the live market for 12 hours a day. Do you trade, Joe?
Yeah, 18 hours, between 12 to 18 hours a day. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so we have an online trade room, and people will be able to log on and have a. They can book in hour slots with you, and they will go through. You will go through their strategy, their trading style, and everything else, so that you can sort of guide them in the best way for them, depending on their lifestyle. Is that right?
Yeah. So if
Okay.
they wanna trade the gold with us on the chat room, because if we go live on YouTube, is little delay to 1 minute or something, and by time he see the trade, like I'm always in and out very quickly.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like yesterday we did 1,000 on 5 trade in just 10 minutes.
Wow.
So, but
Very
so
quick.
if you wanna do this with us, it's better to be on the chat room.
Okay.
So we targeting like 15, like I said, 15,000. If you wanna
Mhm.
trade manual with us, if
Mhm.
you wanna trade automated, we will have something running automatically.
Sounds good. Well, I'm very excited to see how and what happens over the next few days. There is the US holiday on Thursday, so we probably want to run it into next week, just to make sure because of the holiday time. Don't you agree?
Yes, I mean we try this week, see how, because you can see a lot of crazy move
Yeah.
always on when the US in holiday.
Hmm.
Usually the euro dollar going higher for some reason for last 20 years. Every time when US on holiday, like I see euro dollar is been going down, but let's watch it in next few days and see if the euro dollar is gonna shoot up couple 100 point in next few days. But we trading gold, so we will try and watch the market and see how the gold is gonna do this week and maybe in few days next week to make sure everything running okay.
Hang on, Joe. What you just said is just making me want to buy Eurodollar for put a 50 point stop loss, do a pound a point because I've only got £1,000 account, so a pound a point, and then see if I can make 200 points out of it. Would that be a sensible idea?
Yeah, because if you look today, we have a big option
Yeah.
around here, 112, 1200. And you can
Right.
see the market never go below this line. So they
All
defend
right.
this line all day.
One. So 122. 122 is that 122.24.
Yeah, this is
So
was yeah. So the market has been up all day and defending this line. He don't want to go below this line. So I'm giving you idea. For last 20 years, usually the euro dollar it go higher on Thursday.
Well, you know what, Joe? I'm gonna put a cheeky little trade on and just leave it, set it, and then just leave it to see what happens. And then put a stop loss under 122.
Yeah, actually we can do this now on the demo and we'll try it. Or maybe we can just open point one manual, you know,
No,
and
let's
when
leave that $1,000. Leave that $1,000 for that testing.
okay, so let me put a line here. Okay, this is where we are right now. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
so after a
Brilliant.
couple days, let's see how far we are from this line. You know.
Brilliant, Joe. I mean, you're so full of insight, and you're a professional trader. You make a living out of this. I find you fascinating to listen to, and I wish I had more time to spend in the live market with you. And hopefully that will be the case in the next 3 to 6 months. I'll make enough money so I can actually do that, and I look forward to that if that's how it's going to go.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for your time, Joe, and watch this space. We'll see how it goes. All right.
All right. Take care.
Okay. Take care.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, I think that's.